Suppose you have spent hours of time perfecting your sequence, applying effects, color grading, and keyframe, right? And suddenly you have found that you need to swap a clip. So how we can do that? How we can carry those keyframing, effects, and color grading to the new clip easily? Let's find it out. So here I have a clip, and suppose I want to swap this clip with another one, which is this one. So here you can see in this clip, if I play it back, so I figure out I have applied color grading, and then I have applied here keyframing, right? So when I swap this clip with this clip, I want to have those color grading and also the keyframing along with this clip. So the manual ways, you can just select the lumetri color, and then you can select the motion, then copy, and then what you can do, you can make an in point here, and then out point may be there, and then you can click and drag it here, and manually you can paste those values here, right? So it will take a lot of time. So how you can do that very easily and efficiently? You just need to press Alt or Option on your keyboard while you drag the new clip, right? So just click here and then make a in point, pressing I on your keyboard from where you want to start the clip, and make an out point, then press O on your keyboard, and when you drag that clip in the sequence, just press Alt or Option on your keyboard and then click and drag this clip to the existing clip, just like that. If you release that, you'll see that clip have been replaced, and there it is carrying the keyframing and color grading. If you play it back, so you can see the zooming effect is here, and it will totally match the duration of that exact clip. So you don't need to worry about the duration. So that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro or video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.